Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO X300 and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So let's begin with opening your contact list. Find it and find the contact which you'd like to edit and then tap on it. Let me quickly add a phone number because sometimes it will malfunction without it. Alright, so we've got our contact and let's tap on this edit icon, so the pencil icon in the right upper corner. So here we can either choose the picture or calling card. I will start with the picture. Let me simply tap on this circle icon. And now we've got different sections from which we can choose the photo from. So from our gallery, or we can tap on camera and open it immediately so we can take a photo of someone who's right in front of us. Google Photos are basically backed up photos. Here we've got Monogram, so we can just enter here whatever you want to. Only 2 letters, maximally 2 letters. Here you can change the background color, you can also change the font. You can also set the emoji. Just tap on it and choose from the list if you wish, for example, something like that. Again, the background color, and you can also set the monochrome. So from the emoji, it will be made more icon-like. And here we've got illustrations right here which are free of charge and they are available online. So if you do not have a photo, you don't want to use Monogram, then you can try to find something here. After tapping, you can choose the presets, so the colors of the photo. You can also crop the picture. It will look the same if you will choose something from the gallery or take a photo. You can zoom in or out the photo, you can change the position of it, and thanks to it you can decide what you will see after saving the whole contact, because this highlighted circle is responsible for it. So position it just like you want to and then tap on choose. And as you can see, it is right here. In the calling card, you will be able to choose something from the camera, gallery, or Google Photos, and it will basically appear in the background whilst the person will call you. So it's up to you if you want to use it or not. Just to confirm everything, simply tap on save in the right upper corner, and as you can see, this is how our contact will look like. You will be able to see this photo on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.